Map number 44 is one of the most iconic map in the current Arknight global server. It's one of the first map where you need to drop blockade super effectively, and it's also the reason why Crown Slayer meme exists. Because with specific setup, you can do this. But did you know it's also one of the easiest map to clear, even with only one operator from any class. And so today I'm going to show you how to solo 4-4 with any class free to play style, except for medic and defender. We still need a little bit of damage, so those two class is no go. One last thing before we start, I want to show you this simple image. This image show you the distance needed for specific enemy to die naturally after stepping into the Originium tile. This will give you context on why we place certain block on the map. For example, let's take a look at this normal soldier. By blocking this path, we force them to go this route. The distance they have to take now will be greater than 7, so it's an easy clear. The same also applies for the right exit, because just by blocking this path, we force them to go this route, which is exactly 7 tile. Now after that first wave, you will then block this 3 point, because now we have this guy. This guy takes 19 tile to die, which is why we need to force them to go in the middle section. We don't actually need to watch the bottom one, because when you count them, it's exactly 19 tile. The only thing we need to watch is the top, because the distance is only 15 tile, so you need to chip them for them to die on the way. For ranged operator, we will place them here. This will give them the maximum attack, especially for supporter. And now, here's the montage of all the ranged operator doing this. So yeah, as you can see, both Orchid and Steward almost kill Crown Slayer even at level 1, skill 1. With a little bit investment or a better unit, you can definitely do it solo because from this point, it's basically free. Now then, for melee operator, you want to put them here instead for maximum damage and the ability to hit the Swordsman and Crown Slayer. The requirement is a bit higher for melee, especially Vanguard. Granny doesn't cut it because her skill is defensive, so you need Vigna or a leveled Plume. Keep in mind, my Vigna is Elite 2, so the requirement might be higher than Elite 1 level 40. For guard, honestly, just use Melanta because she's a free and good operator. Now for Xiao, she's quite unique because you need to be able to kill the first swordsman without dropping her. You do this by baiting this swordsman into moving before closing the path. The timing is pretty tight, so I don't really recommend doing this, but if that first guy die, then you will be dropping Xiao here and just do the loop trick all day. And so, here's the montage of all the melee operator. Now, if you manage to kill Crown Slayer, the next step will be different a little bit for range and melee. Range operator can just stay in the middle to chip the last swordsman. After this, there won't be any more swordsmen because they will be replaced by the bowmen. For melee, we need a little bit of trick because we can't let our operator stay because there's enemy coming from behind. To kill the last swordsman, we need to wait until they go past here. When it happens, remove this block, which will make them go back, taking an extra tile to walk. Close the path again when the soldier came close, and hopefully that's enough to kill the swordsman. Now for the last step, we just need to juggle the block one last time. When you see this single soldier coming close, get ready to remove this block and place another one here. The signal to do this is when he caught the damage effect. Immediately switch the block and you should be fine. For range, because we have extra block, you can just switch the block again and that should be it. For melee, wait until the bowman is right next to exit and drop your operator. They need to be able to take at least 2 hits to complete this mission. And that's it. That's how you can solo this map free to play, especially when you use slow support or single target caster. It's honestly a very well designed map that teach you the power of blockade. Hopefully there's more of that in the future because I like this kind of map. Speaking of lag, don't forget to leave one on this video and subscribe to me if you want more content of this. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye bye.